case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1975, the Nebraska Supreme Court heard a case that revolved around the fundamental question of justice for incapacitated individuals, specifically surviving spouses, and their right to inherit as per their late spouse's will. The court was to determine the best interests of an impotent surviving spouse without considering the deceased's testamentary intentions or estate plans, a procedure that had to become part of the court's records. The keenly followed case, Clarkson v. First National Bank, sparked practical and ethical debates around this crucial juncture in inheritance law. The drama unfolded when the late Joseph D. Clarkson's will became subject to a legal contest. His wife, Evelyn Bell Clarkson, whom he had married in 1953 and had no children with, was earmarked to inherit a portion of his over $1 million estate. The will stipulated that the remainder of Joseph's assets would be managed by a trustee and dispersed according to Evelyn's will upon her death. However, a complication arose. Evelyn had been mentally incapacitated since 1965, rendering her unable to exercise her rights to appoint assets. In the event of her inability to appoint, Joseph's will decreed that the remaining assets would be distributed among Evelyn's children from a previous marriage and Joseph's daughters from an earlier relationship. When the county court elected to take under the will on Evelyn's behalf, the district court overruled the decision, leading the executor to appeal. However, the appeal was unsuccessful as the majority opinion, authored by Justice Spencer, affirmed the district court's ruling. The Supreme Court ruled that the preferences of an incapacitated widow should fundamentally inform the decision to accept or decline provisions in a will, even if it meant the widow receiving full ownership of the estate, despite fiduciary restrictions. The previous court's decision was upheld. However, it was noted that the lower court had forgotten to consider fiduciary limitations on the disposal of the estate by the guardian, an error that ignited further debates on the intersection between law and ethics in such cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.